Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 227. If we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 9, 3. If we look at this row now, we're missing 5 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. No help here. 3, 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5, and no help here. 3, 5, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 here, so 4, 9. 9 here, so 4, 6, and no help here. 4, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 7. 1 and 2 here. So this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. Don't see any other help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. That 3 means this is our 8. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. We can get rid of this 7. For this row now, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 3, 8. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. That 3 makes this our 5, 7. If we look at this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 6, 4. And that 6 makes this our 3, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this bottom row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.